What's going on, you guys? George D here. Today I'm bringing you guys a brand new unboxing video of what I've been using for like an iPod. Let's get into it. The camera. So I've been using this thing like an iPod for a while. I've been using it for recording my YouTube videos. So let's see what I got. I've been having this for a while, but anyways. Keep this thing down on it and let's do it over here. Use my iPhone to drink. Just do it right here. And during this unboxing we have a nice view. A picture of my girlfriend. And yes, I already had this card. This is what mostly all the stuff is saved on. It's a 8 GB SIM card. But anyways, I'm going to actually be find a new SIM card for it soon. But here it is, right here. Yeah, so I can get a little bit closer. But first, that picture though. Okay, to the device. There's a Samsung Galaxy Core Prime. I'm gonna open it up here. So like I actually do not know like what the booklets are for it, so this is how it came when I got it in the mail. So it goes like this. The instructions were right here. Flip these up. You have the phone. It was actually wrapped up before the back. The front, put the battery's not in it, so it won't boot up. Put it aside. Let's go into the. So here we have our USB cable. There it is better. But yeah, we have our USB cable. Let's put that right here. And next, we have our power brick. No, it's not one of those fast chargers. I wish it was. And then we have a Samsung battery. I don't know. Sorry guys, tripod smooth. I don't know what kind of, how much millimeters it is, or whatever you guys call it. But that's all that came in the box when I got it. Put this box under my bed. So let's put the battery and the SIM card in. So there's like a little tab right here. Go from here and I pull it off. SD card, SIM card, battery. So for the SIM card, SD card, goes into the top slot right here. Then I had a SIM card for it. I would have to put the SIM card in first, then that. Next, the battery. Those silver things matches the silver. Okay, that's on. Then I actually had a case. I actually have a case for this, but I took it off. Make sure it's all closed and good. I'll show you guys the case. Just a normal greenish bluish case. I don't know when I turn it on. Gives you a little vibrate. My battery's dead, so. My apps on here, to like on my video editor on here. My YouTube is going crazy. Not my YouTube, anyways, and then it says I have no SIM card in it. So I'm gonna go plug this thing in. And you can tell there's gonna be a red blinking light on the top there. Let me know that it's pretty much gone. And then to end this video, let's take a zoom in